straight onto that hot griddle. Hear that sizzle? That's what we're after. Once the underside turns golden, I like to clip the strips into smaller bites. The scissors make it quick. Look at that color. Crispy edges, still juicy inside. Flip them around, let every side kiss the heat in just a minute.
Turn 2. Look at that color. Crispy edges, plenty of rendered fat. That's what you want. Let everything mingle together on the griddle. The tofu will pick up there.
Get that tofu right into the juices. You want every side golden and soaking up that kimchi flavor. Look at the pork belly. Crispy edges render just enough fat. That's where the magic starts. Let the kimchi bubble and color everything. The tofu will take on that red hue and the whole griddle smells incredible.
That is so good.